How to create Lanyard Mockup in Canva. So open your Canva. If you're using it for the first time, then it will ask you to log in into your Canva account. Now click on create a design. Right, so here you can just go and choose any of this option here. Click on create a design, right, and select a custom dimension. So for example, I want to do it, for example, a normal 1080p a canvas size. I will just go and click on Canva and I will get a plain sheet here to make it. Right now you can set the dimension to 90 centimeter, for example. Let me just go back and let me show you once again. You can also go and click on custom size here. So here you can just put up here 90, and in the height you can put up to the 2 centimeter, right? And here you can just go and click on centimeter, right? So you can just set it more here, right? And this is how you can do so, and click on create new design, and you will be redirected to the same thing here. Now here you have to choose a background, so you can set a solid color. So I don't want to put a solid color here, so this is a solid color. You can just go and choose any of the color here, right? You can just go to the gradient and you can select any of the color here, right? So I'll choose this a little bit dull color like this, and you can also choose some this kind of a gradient, right? Use the color picker to select your desired color if you want to, right? For example, I like this yellow color, right? So I can just go and choose it, and this is how it's look. Right now incorporate various design elements such as shapes. So for example, I just want to go to the element section here. Now I'll just look for shapes, right? And here these are shapes, right? And just go and click on see all. Now all the shapes will come up, and I can just put a text, or even though, for example, I want to curvy line from the top, so I can just make it like this. I can change this border width or something like that, right? So this is how it looks, right? I can just put the dotted one, right? So this is the different designs you can put up in your gradient. Now customize your design by adding a text or something. So I can just write here, I don't want to put any text, I want to put it exactly like this, right? And for example, everything is perfect, or for example, I just want to put a border, right? So for example, like this, and this is how looks, and this looks fine for me. Obviously the color of my shape is not good, so I'll change the color, right? And the background color, I want to put a background color of black. Okay, now once you finalize your design, you can just go and change up to different shapes here. You can just go and click on different graphics or different designs, right? For example, like this, or I like the center ones. I can just go and click on. If you have any creative idea, you can always use a search element, or if you have a search element, then it's great, right? So this is how it's look. I can just go and change the color, right? So it's really interesting. And visit a mockup generator website such as, you can do so. For example, you can just go to Google and here search for mockup generator, and you will be redirected to Google. And here just go to the name of the website. Here you can see this is the mockup generator. Even Canva also have a mockup generator, you can use that. And after generating, this is how it's look. You can download these. For example, I will go to the share and I can just go to the download, and here I can download whichever format I like, right? So this is a process. If you watch this video till here, thanks for watching.